Hello everyone, Trainman 611 here. We have another train. It's peeking through the trees as what I can see so far. Does look like an EMD. Alright, there we go. We have an EMD leader. Let's see what we got. Oh, let's go. We have an EMD. Oh, this is going to be cool. EMD! Oh, it's a helper set. Alright. Helper set. Helper set! Come on, helper set. Oh, turning your ditch lights off. We're gonna... Helper set. Helper set. Come on. Helper set. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! There we go. 7230, 7254. Double ACUs. All right. There we go. That's cool. Want more stuff like this? Make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. Trainman 611 out.